Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be redecorating my room slash cleaning it because I've just kind of kept it messy for a little bit too long now. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach 4K really soon. And make sure to give this video a like. I try to get to 50 likes. And also, make sure to put in my post notifications. It just notifies you every time I upload a video. And let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to actually put stuff on there because I haven't had stuff on here for a while. Usually I keep my mirror and a boxy charm box just to stand it up. And my mirror's kind of broken, thanks to one of my family members. But I think I'm gonna get a light up mirror, a LED one, because I've wanted one for a long time and this is just not gonna do it anymore. Okay, so this area is definitely like really cluttered and I definitely want to do like a makeup declutter soon. Okay, so next we have this area, and this area is the part that you guys never see because it is not in frame. So we're gonna fix that right now. Usually this bean bag is in the corner, and I'm kind of debating if I want to get rid of it because it just kind of takes some space. Like, it's a nice place to just throw stuff on, but it's kind of annoying at the same time. Now this chair is usually over here. Ugh. But I moved it because I was filming over here a lot. But it is really nice because it's just, if my friends come over, they can just sit here. So I'm just gonna take everything off because I'm kind of done with it at this point. Okay, so this is just kind of some random stuff. They're kind of just hide it in here because why not? Another thing I really hate doing is unpacking, and if you can see it, I haven't unpacked any of this, so I have to do that. Shoot, do I really want to like do the full hanging stuff in my closet thing? Because I don't really want to hang stuff right now. Oh my gosh, I have this shirt that it was tied really cute, and then I packed it and it untied itself, and I don't know how to tie things cute, so I have to kind of learn. I really like this sweater a lot. I wear this a ton, so I'm just gonna like kind of put this in here because it's just easy. Should I just shove it over there? Like, I feel like I probably should. So this is this little box I was talking about, and I just put stuff in it that I should hang, but I don't want to do at the moment. And as you can see, it's getting quite full. This is like a toothpaste kind of bag. So I'm just gonna shove this in my little packing bag as well. So I usually just put my belts like over here, and then I actually have like this Polaroid case that I've recently bought, and I actually have a brown one too. Okay, so we're gonna shove this in here. Okay, this is just like really annoying. What the heck? I just like hate hanging stuff in my closet so much that I just don't want to do it. I just want to only look at my closet if I'm picking out my outfit. So I'm just like not gonna look at this right now. Look at that. Ugh. Looks so much cleaner when I close my closet. So I have to throw these in the hamper. Okay, so I want to wear this belt today, but I could wear it with the shorts I'm wearing now, or I could wear it with these shorts, but I don't really know. Now, this is another corner that I don't want to even get into. Should I just put all these clothes into that white bag and like act like it's like, you know, shopping bag? Like, it's just so much easier. I'm just gonna do that for right now. There we go. Looks like I bought a whole bag of clothes, but I didn't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. No. Oh my gosh. I literally just sold these headphones on eBay. My mom like already shipped it, and like I knew I had these. These are like the extra earphone things. Oh my gosh. I was just cleaning my room and now there's a spider and it's really small, but it's just really gross. This is why I should not put clothes on the floor. Okay, so we're gonna take my dad's shoe because my dad doesn't really care. Ew, okay, so I'm just gonna drop it. Ew, does it fly? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I'm just gonna leave that there. If you don't know, I like hate bugs so much. I'm like so afraid of them, and like even if they're small, they're just so gross. So yeah, we're gonna leave that shoe on there for now. This is kind of like a nice like vlogging setup, and I still have to pick up my outfit. I know I want to wear this belt. It's just really nice. It's this grommet belt, and I literally got it from Walmart. Like, Brandy Melville who? Like, we don't know her. We don't stan. No, like seriously, I do not stan. So what am I gonna do? Okay, wait, you know what? I'm gonna shove these in the H&M bag. That's what I'm gonna do. Because I just feel like my closet, there's too much stuff right now. Okay, so I'm just kind of lazy, so I'm just gonna stay in the outfit that I was already in. Okay, so I kind of want to wear my Disney shirt because it just said it's Breeze premiering, and I just feel like I should rep Disney. So this shirt is from Uniqlo. It's Disney, and it's really cute. This belt is from Walmart. These shorts are from Old Navy. But yeah, I just want to compliment this belt because I love this belt so much. It's so cute. So that's my OOTD. Get this gremlin out of my room. No, he's doing ASMR. That's my thing. Stop. I'm the only ASMR person in this house. What is he doing? Oh my gosh, you can go, move. No, oh my gosh, stop. Stop. It's not even on. Oh my gosh, stop. No. You're breaking like everything I want. Should I do like a what's my backpack? I feel like no one would click because it's not a fragile robbing conkin. This is my what's in my backpack, so this is my Polaroid camera. It's in this nice, really brown leather case, and it's really, really cute. I got a matching pink one because I couldn't decide. Oh my gosh, wait. I kind of want to take pictures today. Okay, so I need to plug this in. Here we go. And this yellow light means it's charging. This is like the most annoying charger ever because it literally just, like that's the best way to stand it. It's just so short and this thing unplugs so easily. I also want to promote this book that I'm reading for school, which is super, super cool. They let us like choose from a ton of different options, and this one was so appealing to me. And it's called So You Want to Talk About Race, and I think it's just such a good book. I'm already like on chapter 4 and it's like my second day reading it. And I think it's just a really good read for honestly anyone of any race. I just think it's so educational and just really helps to deconstruct the whole concept of racism and just how it affects our world, and even just like systemic racism. Like it just explains systemic racism really well, which is something that really affects us every single day in our lives. And even if like you're not actively doing anything, we're all kind of a part of it. So it's just a really good book. I'd honestly recommend anyone reading it who is willing to listen and learn. I feel like it's been helping me a lot to understand race in America because I'm half black, I'm half white, but my mom is from Brazil, so it's a lot different over there. It's not as like divided, I feel like. And here in America there's just so much history and so much culture in Black American culture that I don't know, and so I feel like that's just really educating me, and I just feel like it's really important to talk about it. And like that's the thing with the book, it's so important to talk about it even if we don't want to, because it's the only way that we can change things, talking about it and doing stuff, and really just being aware of our privileges that we have, no matter what you are, just like privileges you have, and instead of just ignoring it and being like it doesn't affect me, being active in it and being like, hey, I'm going to do something about this is unfair and I want to change things and I want to do something about it. I wish I had like an Audible code for you guys or something, but I definitely recommend reading it. I really, really have been impacted by the book, and I'm not even done with it, so yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking out like everything in this makeup bag. This will be like the gloss, like little triangle. I have this Maybelline the Matte Bar palette. This is just the best palette ever. It's such good quality, and like I know that Maybelline shadows do not get a good rep a lot of the time, but honestly like those shadows are just so good, and it has like every single matte you'll ever need. These are two of the blush bombs, and they're like at the bottom. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, so this just looks already so much better. Like it just looks so much clearer. Okay, so I didn't really show you, but I just put like everything over here, over there, because this is just kind of the corner that I don't care about, and I just like to throw stuff in. Making up my bed is like a lot of work. As you can tell from a lot of my backgrounds in my videos, I don't really make my bed because it's just a lot of work, and it's like it's gonna be messed up in what, 20 hours? I guess I kind of do that. I don't really know. I'm terrible at making my bed. Oh, how do people do this? Ooh, should I tuck it in? Does that make it look nicer? Oh my gosh, wait, it does. Hold up. Okay, so I just tucked it in. It kind of looks nicer. Okay, so it's 1:30 right now, and my friends are coming at 2-ish. Honestly, don't really know. But yeah, my room looks a lot better and cleaner, and I just feel like so much, I feel zen. I feel really zen. So this is pretty much the overview of my room. It looks so much cleaner, and I didn't really do it before, but like that's fine. But yeah, this is just the area that we don't have to really acknowledge. But yeah, I feel a lot better. And my room was just looking like a hot mess before, and this is just like usually how it is. It's usually not messy, but I didn't want to clean it until I was able to film it, so you know. So I kind of forgot to film an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach 4K really soon. And also make sure to give this video a like. Let's try to get to 50 likes. And make sure to put on my post notifications. It just notifies you every time I upload a video. Also, make sure to follow my social media. I have Instagram and Snapchat, and it's a pretty fun time on there. And I'll see you guys in my next video.